Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing an eyeshadow look with 3 different eyeshadow palettes. So the first eyeshadow palette I'll be using is the Eyeshadow Treasury by Technic. The second palette I'm going to be using is the Pretty Creative by Revolution. And the third palette I'm going to be using is Fierce as Fire by Revolution as well. So as you can see, my eyebrow is already done. I uploaded a video yesterday on how to do a natural looking brow using Rimmel London brow pencil and LA Girl Pro Conceal. So that video is on my channel. So the first step of this eyeshadow look basically depends on your skin tone. So at the bottom of the Eyeshadow Treasury palette, there's like a few different eyeshadow tones, and you basically want to use the tone or colour closest to your skin colour. So in this case I would use this one here. So I get a brush like this and I just put the eyeshadow in the crease of my eye. And below the brow. And then I do the same thing to this eye as well. So I've done that, and this is what my eyes look like. So I now have my Revolution eyeshadow palette in Pretty Creative, and I'm going to use the colour Transcend, which is here. And I start off here, just putting this on, and guys, once that's done, I then do the same thing to the other eye. So then guys, using the same palette, I use the colour Innovate, which is here, and do the exact same thing on top of the red. And then you do the same thing to the other eye. So it should look like this. And now I'm going to use my Pro Conceal and do a cut crease. So this is what it should look like. Then I'm going to use the Revolution Fierce as Fire palette, and I'll be using this colour here and this colour. This colour to blend the cut crease, and this colour in the inner corner of my eye to just brighten it up a bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Then I'm going to use that goldy eyeshadow that I showed you guys and put it here. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. So guys, here is the final look. And I'm going to add some mascara.